the Delhi government announced that schools in the capital will reopen from the 1st of September for classes 9 to 12. The Deputy Chief Minister saying the students will need parents' permission and no one will be forced to attend the classes.
A vaccination camp for teachers in Delhi. Even as Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia announced reopening of schools and coaching institutions from the 1st of September for classes 9 to 12. Middle school and primary school would reopen in subsequent phases.
रोजाना का जो पॉजिटिविटी रेट है वो भी अब 0.1% से लगातार नीचे चल रहा है पिछले कई हफ्ते से। सरकारी स्कूलों का करीब 98% टीचर एंड ऑल स्टाफ कम से कम फर्स्ट डोज ले चुका है।
No student in Delhi will be forced to attend in-person classes as the option of online teaching will continue. But to allay some fears, Manish Sisodia underlined that almost 98% of government school teachers had received at least one dose of the vaccine.
वैक्सीन भेजते थे हम बच्चों को, फिर उनका फीडबैक लेते थे, कॉल वगैरह करते थे, फिर बच्चे अब एक तो सामने हो, बच्चा एक घर पे क्या कर रहा है वो तो उसमें बहुत परेशानियां आई थी। ऑनलाइन के बजाय उन बच्चों के लिए बेहतर रहेगा जो सामने हमारे सामने रहेंगे।
Telangana is confident that with 95% of the teaching and non-teaching staff already vaccinated, there should be no big challenges in the reopening of Anganwadi schools and colleges on the 1st of September. They also cite the example of Andhra Pradesh where schools reopened on the 16th of August. Right now, the task of sanitizing and cleaning up the schools is happening so that the schools can be ready for the children. But parents are still apprehensive.
बच्चों का वैक्सीन भी हुआ नहीं है और बच्चे जैसे सेफ्टी मेजर्स क्या ले सकेंगे, कितना भी करो बच्चे हैं, सो मैं रिस्क नहीं उठाना चाहूँगी।
Tamil Nadu has allowed 50% attendance from the first, so classes will be split into shifts. Only one student on each desk, with staggered breaks to ensure social distancing. The government says 90% of all teaching and non-teaching staff has been vaccinated.
Every teacher in Everwin, including our correspondent also, he took along with us only. So everyone were vaccinated. We need the parents to get vaccinated so that both ends it is safety for the child.
In West Bengal, majority of government school teachers have already been fully vaccinated. Most of them in March-April ahead of the Bengal elections as they were deployed for poll duties. Fresh vaccine consignments meant for second dose and teachers are expected shortly, as the centre has announced allotment of 2 crore doses to vaccinate teachers across the country ahead of opening of schools. With Meher Pandey in Delhi, Sam Daniel in Chennai, Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, Uma Sudhir in Hyderabad for NDTV.